Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a whole Dollar Tree haul. It's basically, I'd say it's a medium-sized haul. I always say that with these videos and it ends up being super long. I also do have a couple of things from like Five Below and a product from Hot Topic at the end of this video. So if you want to stick around and see that, that's at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugs and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you can like the video, if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. And if you want to know where I got this look, I actually just did a full face of City Color Cosmetics, which will be down below if it's up already. If not, it's coming soon. I also did want to mention that it is raining pretty hard. I forgot to turn on my heater, so you guys will be hearing the sound of water coming down from the sky. So yeah, so let's start off with some like skincare products and we'll get into the makeup. So a couple of these items, let's get the random stuff out of the way. So I saw these two at my local Dollar Tree. These are from Be Pure. I found their night eye gel pads and I thought these were really interesting. Basically it says for restful looking eyes. I thought I'd pick up a pair and see what these do. So these are the lavender and chamomile pair, and this is the one pair eye mask that comes in here. And I wanted to pick up one pair. I almost bought two, but I wanted to see what this one does. So that's it. And then I also picked up their other product, which is the Be Pure Sleep Lotion. So it says apply lotion before bed for a peaceful night's rest. I thought this was interesting, so I just went ahead and threw this in, and that's how that product looks. I also picked up some products from, I believe it's OBI skincare. I don't know. I've never purchased anything from this brand from the Dollar Tree, but they do have this product, which is the hyaluronic acid moisturizing cream, which looks like that. Looked really interesting. There's a look at the product, and it does come with, oh my gosh. It literally is coming out. Oh, it has like no scent at all. It's like a super goopy consistency. You could try some on the back of my hand here. Oh, it's like cold. It feels cooling to the skin. Wow, it feels like water. It feels really nice. So there's a comparison. Moisturizer, no moisturizer. It's definitely giving off a nice healthy glow to the skin. I'm not feeling any like craziness, no tingling or anything. So we'll see how this works, and I'll definitely update you guys in an empties video or in a favorites video. We'll see how well this works. So that's the moisturizer. And then we have this other product, which is their hyaluronic acid serum. I thought this was really interesting. I wanted to try it out. Why not? A lot of people rave about hyaluronic acid. That's really good for your skin. So I went ahead and picked this up as well. And it does come with a dropper. As you can see, it is a clear kind of situation. So I'm definitely excited for this. It definitely looks very thick. Looks like a thick kind of formula. Okay, it smells good. It smells very clean, but not like too crazy. Like it's a very slight smell. So I can't wait to try this out, as well as their moisturizing cream. It looks really interesting. All right, let's get into the more makeup-y products. The first item is a Wet n Wild brush. I really love the brushes that they offer at the Dollar Tree, especially when they're from Wet n Wild, because the quality of their brushes are amazing. So I went ahead and picked up this one. This is their angled liner brush, which looks like that. Is so thin, which is why I picked it up. I thought this would be perfect for when I want to use a gel liner, because it's such a precise little brush, as you can see. So that I'm super excited about. I went ahead and picked up another primer from LA Colors, and this is their smoothing face primer. This is the one in cool pink, which is meant to brighten. Yes, it's brightening. No, it says brightens complexion. So if you guys have been on my channel before, I had the white one, which was the clear minimizes pores one at the top, but it was like literally a white primer. So whenever I would throw it on, literally my whole face would turn white. I didn't love it, so I wanted to try this one out and see what I think of the cool pink one. I also did see some people posting on Instagram that some of their Dollar Trees have like some new LA Colors primers. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to find those, but I cannot wait, I'm telling you. So there's a close-up look at this primer. Let's see how it looks. So there's a look at that. All right, so I like this one way more than the white one, because the white did leave a white cast because it was a white primer, which is crazy. I thought it was going to be more of a clear situation, but no. So this one here actually blended into the skin. It did come out pinky, but it did kind of rub into the skin. So this one I'm super excited about. I'm planning on doing a full face of Dollar Tree. Hopefully that can happen soon, but I'm super excited about that product, as well as I picked up another one of their LA Colors Conceal Correct color correctors in peach. I did use one today from AOA Studio. I love peach color correctors. I don't know what it is. I feel like it just brightens up the under eye even more. I did used to own this one before and I finished it up. I mentioned it in my yearly empties video that's going to be down below if you want to watch. Such a good product, which is why I went ahead and repurchased it. There's a look at that. It basically comes with a doe foot applicator, and it's just such a good primer, such a good color corrector. I love it. It works so well for my under eyes. I just like how it mixes in with my concealer to create a super brightening effect on the under eyes. It also cancels out dark circles, and it's just a really good product, so I definitely had to pick that up. Let's talk about Remi Rose. I actually did use their lip gloss today in the shade Annabelle. So I did want to pick up another color. This is the Remi Rose Glitter Gloss in the shade Megan. So Remi Rose is a very, very underrated brand. I've actually purchased their liquid lipstick before, and also their lip gloss I've raved about for years. I love it. Again, it's the one that I'm wearing today in Annabelle, and these are always available at Dollar Tree as well as the 99-cent store. And I honestly don't know why more people are now raving about this brand. They have some really great products. They also have some liners. Oh, they also have some blushes. I think I do have some blushes from them. And again, this one is a glitter gloss. Oh my gosh, but when I tell you, this shade is stunning. I don't know if I give you guys a close-up. I already forgot. I don't know. But there is a look at that product. How beautiful is that? Again, this is a glitter gloss. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. So stunning, and their glosses are so comfortable on the lips. Again, I'm wearing it today. It's not getting on my teeth. It's not getting all over the place. It's not goopy. I just love their formula, so I'm so happy that I decided to pick this one up. If I can remember the name, this is the Megan lip gloss, and it is their glitter formula. I'm super excited about that. I picked up another LA Colors product, and this is their glow stick in the shade Popping. It is a pinky kind of highlight. I already do own their more champagne one, so I wanted to pick up the pinky one just to see what it can do. There's a close-up look at that. So there's a look at that product. Again, I do own the champagne one. If you guys have seen my other full face Dollar Tree videos, I've used their, I believe I have a highlight. I have a blush stick as well from this line. So there's a look at the shade Popping. So beautiful, looks stunning. Can't wait to use this. I'm loving that it's not like too pink. It has a hint of pink in it, but it's not like a stark like pink line of glitter or whatever. It looks really nice, so I can't wait to use that. Next, I have a Flower Beauty product, also from the Dollar Tree, and this one's in the shade Wham. Basically, this is a Flower Beauty Pop Fantastic Eye Pigment. So that's how that looks. This is the only shade that was available at my local Dollar Tree. I wanted to see what this was about, and that's how the product looks. It's really tiny. That's the color Wham. Oh, so it is like a creamy kind of formula. Oh my gosh, like really pigmented. It's like a, I can't even use this as a, I was about to say I could use this as a blush, but no. So it is a matte pink shade, really, really pigmented. I definitely cannot. Oh, it's a cream to powder product. It already dried down, and that shade is stunning. Again, in the shade Wham. Can't wait to use it. Not really sure how. I'm planning to incorporate this into my eyeshadow routine. I'll definitely try to use this in an upcoming Dollar Tree video. And lastly, for the makeup-y products from the Dollar Tree, I have this from Be Pure, and I was super excited to see this. This is the pressed powder. It's a pressed face powder, and it says it's infused with green tea. So that's how that looks. So basically, when I saw this, I was super excited. I was kind of scared as well. I didn't know what to expect because I just hear something rolling around in there, and I didn't know what to, like, I don't know. I was kind of scared about it, you know? You don't know what to expect. And then I took it out, and I'm pleasantly surprised. It's actually a cute little compact. It is a see-through compact. It says infused pressed face powder, and there's a close-up look at that. And then when you do open it, it is a white powder. However, when you swatch, it's just like a clear, like it's like a translucent moment. So we'll definitely give it a try on the face and see what this can do. If it's like a little too white for my face, I'll definitely use it for my under eyes. But I'm really excited to have found a pressed powder at my local Dollar Tree. As you guys know, they only offer like the LA Colors one, which I already own. I hadn't seen this before, so I really did want to try it out and see what I think. All right, let's move on to my Hot Topic find, which was the Hot Cheetos palette. So if you guys know, you guys have been following me on Instagram or here on YouTube, I actually did find another palette from Hot Cheetos years ago, and it was the Remi Rose Hot Topic. No, it was a Remi Rose Forever 21 palette, and that thing went viral. Little palette, came with 6 shadows. It caused a lot of controversy. It was crazy. So this time around, I actually went to Hot Topic and I found their lip scrub, which I actually did post on my Instagram. A lot of people seem to love the lip scrub, but the other day we did go watch Spider-Man and we found the Hot Cheetos palette. So there's a look at the packaging. This did retail for $16.90 at my local Hot Topic, and this is also from the brand Taste Beauty. They make a lot of cute like lip scrubs and stuff. A lot of people like their things. They also sell a couple of Taste Beauty products at my local Five Below. If you've seen them, they come out with a lot of cute lip products. But I was really surprised to see they actually came out with a palette. I don't know if they have other palettes. Oh no, they do. They came out with the Rugrats collection a while back. So there's a look at the color story of this palette. I'm super excited. Let me know if you want to see a YouTube video on this product. I could definitely do that soon, so I'm really excited to have picked this up. Next things are from the Five Below. So I did find this ultrasonic face steamer. I did fill it up with some setting spray in there. I wanted to try it out, and it is such a thin mist. It is so cool. There's a close-up look at that product. That's how it looks on the back. So it is rechargeable. It does come with its own little charger, and that's how that product looks. So basically you fill it up with water, whatever. The only thing is that this doesn't really securely twist all the way. It's just like a small little, you move it over and then it opens, you move it a little bit over, it closes. So that's the only thing that it doesn't feel safe to me, but it's so cool. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see the mist. It's such a fine kind of situation. It smells so good because I threw in a little bit of my setting spray. It's so nice. If you're looking for a little face steamer, definitely check this one out. So cool. I'm definitely going to use this quite a bit. Also did go ahead and pick up a vlogging kit. So it comes with a tripod. It has a little light attached to it as well as a microphone. It looked really cool, so I went ahead and picked this up, especially if I start vlogging on my channel. I want to be prepared, or even for like TikToks or whatever. And this was $10 at my local Five Below. So that's how it looks on the inside. You can basically put it together yourself. So it does come with a microphone. You get your light, which does come with a little battery section where you could put your batteries. Obviously we have this, which attaches the microphone, and then we get the tripod. This looks so cool. I cannot wait to put it together and see how it works. I'm definitely excited. It's definitely a product that I've been eyeing out, but I never really bit the bullet and picked it up. I'm so excited for this, and I cannot wait to use it for like Instagram or even on YouTube. So we'll see how that works, and I'll definitely update you guys soon. I also picked this up from the Dollar Tree. I forgot to mention it, but this is a Tooth Therapy foot care situation, and it does come with 2 products. It comes with a foot scrub and a foot lotion. Super random, but I want to throw it in here because I kind of want to update you guys on what I think. I think foot care is really underrated, especially on YouTube. It's just something that nobody talks about, but taking care of your feet is just as important as taking care of your face, okay? Because if your feet are not smooth and nice, you're just very uncomfortable when that happens. So it does come with a foot scrub, as I mentioned, as well as with a foot lotion. So definitely can't wait to try these out. And lastly, this is super random, but they had this at my local Five Below, and it was so cool. It was like a mini set of Jenga. On Christmas we were playing the regular size Jenga, so I wanted to try this one for the new year. I'm filming ahead, okay, so it's not even New Year's yet, but at the moment that this video comes out, it's already 2022. But at this moment, I want to see how this works, and it was only $2.25. So I did go ahead and pick up this baby Jenga situation. This is called Tower Tumble. So it basically comes all wrapped up. little baby Jenga. So cute. And this is the last product. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, other names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from Drugstore to High End, so if you're interested, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.